I'm going to show you now how to do the formatting. My first video didn't work, so hopefully this does, but also I'm using it in on my iPad, so it should work better. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that everything you plan to put in your paper is in your paper. You shouldn't do this until you're done because you don't want to lose any of the helps that are there. But once everything that's in is going to be in, you're going to highlight everything below the title. So you can do select all and then unselect this first part if that's the easiest for you. Okay, and then you can see that I have all the rest of my paper highlighted. I'm going to go up to this little 1, 2, 3 button and I'm going to hit it once if I need to, and then twice. And look, now all of the little 1s and 2s and stuff are gone. Okay. So now what I need to do is get rid of all the little tags that I put in on the outline in order to help you. So we're going to start with your introduction paragraph. I'm going to get rid of that word introduction. I'm going to get rid of the word hook. When I delete the word hook, it should come back to the side, all the way to the left margin. So then I'm going to delete the tag book summary. And notice that I did not do a line break at the end of my hook anymore. Same with thesis, delete the word thesis. Okay, so now my introduction is all one paragraph, okay? Then I'm gonna go down and do the same thing for body paragraph 1, except I am gonna leave an extra space between the introduction and the body paragraph. So I'm going to delete where it says context and evidence, make sure that goes all the way up so there's no extra line break, delete reasoning, okay? And then, so I don't have another context and reasoning here, so I'm just going to delete those. And then paragraph 2 is done as well. I have a couple extra spaces there, so I'm just going to delete them. I'm going to delete where it says body paragraph 2 and topic sentence. So this is a new paragraph, right? So I'm going to leave that extra space. Delete the tag for context and evidence. Delete the tag for reasoning. Delete the tag for the second context and evidence. Delete the tag for the second reasoning. Okay, so now I have my first 2 body paragraphs done as well as my introduction. Doing my final body paragraph, which is 3. Not forgetting to leave this extra space between the paragraphs. Then context and evidence gone. Reasoning gone. And then, because I don't have a second context and reasoning, just getting rid of those. So now my only paragraph left is my conclusion. So I'm going to delete these tags. So now the beginning of that conclusion should be the restatement of my thesis. Delete the word closure. Okay, so that should be it. So I should see 4 of those double page breaks. 1, 2, 3, oops, that looks like more than 2, so I'm going to delete 1, 4. So I have 4 extra line breaks because to show my paragraphs. So now I'm going to select all again. Go all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to go all the way to the top. And I'm going to make sure my font is right. So I'm going to go up to that A. I'm going to make sure the font is 12 and Arial. And I'm going to make sure the line spacing is 2. Hold on one second. Can I call you right back? I'm recording something. Sorry about that. So now everything should be double spaced. Everything should be left aligned, which is here, except for the title. And then everything should be 12-point Arial double space. I do have an extra, nope, I don't have an extra space. So the last thing I need to do is actually give my paper a title. And I'm just going to use a couple words from my thesis, which is right here, our responsibility to people. So that's what I'm going to put as my title. It should be center aligned. Okay, so the only other thing I have to do is I have a lot of red text in mine, so I have to make it all black. Okay, so now my paper is done, and to submit it, I can go to the ... and then share and export, and then send a copy and make sure I have it as PDF, and then I can submit it like any other Schoology assignment to 311 final paper.